Meaning of M.
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 M. M- is a prefix that can be added to words to create new words. It is a shortened form of them. The prefix is commonly used in informal language and is often associated with dialects or spoken language. Its meaning varies depending on the word it is added to, but it typically indicates a smaller, shortened, or more familiar version of the original word. For example, emoticon is a shortened version of emotion icon. Overall, the use of M- adds a sense of informality and familiarity to language.